Question number 13 of exercise 6.5. So question number 13 says D and E are points on side CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC right angled at C. So we have a right angle ABC which is right angled at point C. Then we have D and E. D and E, they are points on side CA and CB respectively. So D is a point on side CA and E is a point on side CB. And we want to prove that this AE square plus BD square equals to AB square plus DE square. So what is already given? We are given that triangle ABC is a right triangle. This is already given, and we want to prove that AE square plus BD square equals to AB square plus DE square. This we want to prove. So for proving this, I am starting with AE. So just look here, this is a right triangle. In triangle ACE, this triangle ACE, in this triangle, this AE is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So we have AE square equals to AC square plus CE square. What I am going to use, so this we get by using Pythagoras theorem. So I have applied Pythagoras theorem in triangle ACE. So we get AE square equals to AC square plus CE square. Now I am going to find BD square. So just look here, this triangle BCD, this is again a right angle triangle. So in triangle BCD, in this triangle we have BD square equals to BC square plus CD square. This is again by using the same theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. So till now we just applied our Pythagoras theorem in triangle ACE and triangle BCD. So this is equation number 1, this is my equation number 2, and now I am going to add both these equations. So just add equation 1 and 2. So after adding we get AE square plus BD square equals to AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square. So we have already get what we want in the left hand side of this proof. So AE square plus BD square is already obtained in the equation. We just want to prove that this is equals to AB square plus DE square. So just look here, this AC square plus BC square. If I take this right triangle ABC, this is my right triangle ABC, and in this right triangle, this AB square, this is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So AB square equals to BC square plus AC square. So AC square plus BC square equals to AB square. So I can replace AC square plus BC square by AB square. Similarly, this CE square and CD square. Just look here, this smaller right triangle CED. This is again a right triangle, and in this right triangle ED is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So ED square equals to CE square plus CD square, and we have CE square plus CD square. So CE square plus CD square is equals to DE square. Why? Because AC square plus BC square, this is equals to AB square. This is obtained by applying my Pythagoras theorem on this triangle ABC. In the bigger one, we applied Pythagoras theorem and we get AB square equals to BC square plus AC square. And after that, I have applied Pythagoras theorem on this smaller right triangle DCE. In this triangle, we have DE square equals to CE square plus CD square. So we have DE square equals to CE square plus CD square. So now we get AE square plus BD square equals to AB square plus DE square. Hence proved.